Computer class 7th, chapter 1st, number system, third lecture. Firstly, we have to know now in chapter 7th, in class 7th, in chapter 1st, in number system, what is octal number system? Octal means 8. So, you can say it is consist of 8 digit. It is consist of 8 digit. That means combination of the digits, set of series of 8 digits from 0 to 7. When you add 0 to 7, it became 8 with base 8. The procedure octal to decimal conversion is similar to binary decimal. As we have converted the decimal number into octal or octal to decimal, as usual, there is also conversion. To convert an octal number, suppose we have to convert octal number to decimal number. Suppose we have to convert octal to decimal. How can we convert? Firstly, we have to start multiplying the digits of the number from right hand side. Number from which side? Right hand side, with increasing power of starting 0, and power will be increasing. Power here has 0, then 1, then 2 as usual, and multiply with base. How much base? 8. And finally we have to calculating the sum of the product. Suppose this is 345 in octal form and we have to convert into decimal. So firstly, this one is this power of this number 0, 0, here 1 and here 2. But we have to now count from which side? Right hand side. So this will be 0, then 1 and then 2. This will be 3 multiplied by 8 because this have to multiply by base and power will be 2, then plus 4 into 8 power 1 plus 5 into 8 base 0. And when you multiply 3 into 8 into 8, it will be 192 plus 4 into 8, when 8 into 1, that means 8, 4 into 8, 32 plus, when you put the 0 on any number, then it became 1. Here 5 into 1 equal to 5. After adding these, it became 2 to 9. You can also say thus 345 base 8 equal to 2 to 9 base 10. When we convert 345 octal number to decimal number, its value became 229. Now next example we can take, suppose 317 base 8. This will be 3 multiplied by 8 power how much? 0, 1, 2 power 2 plus 1 into 8 power 1 plus 7 into 8 power 0. This will be as usual here 3 into 8 power base 3 into 8 power 2, as usual it became 90, as usual here also 90, and 1 into 8 power 1, that is 8 plus 7 into 8 power 0. When we add this, it became how much it became? After adding this, it became 207. And you can say, you can write 370 base 8 equal to 207 base 10. That means decimal octal number 370 equal to decimal number 207. Now we have to know the hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal, that means 16. This number consists of 16 digits, number 0 to 9 and the letter A to F, where A to F represent decimal number from 10 to 15. That means you can say A equal to 10, B 11, C 12, D 13, E 14, F 15. This is equivalent. Now in hexadecimal, this number system is also known as hex. This number is also known as hex. The procedure of converting hexadecimal, the procedure, that means process of converting hexadecimal to decimal is similar to the method is conversion had already read only. As you have read only, as usual there is also conversion. Being the base being the change base, and there will be changes only base, because in octal in octal the base was 8, but in hexadecimal the base will be 16. To convert a hexadecimal number to decimal, convert a hexadecimal to decimal, hexadecimal base is 16 and decimal base is 10. Multiply the number starting from right hand side with increasing power of 16 starting from 0, and then calculating the sum of the product as usual. Before you have, suppose there is, then this is the number 3b base 16. That means this is the form of hexadecimal. Now suppose 3b 16. How we have to multiply? 3 multiplied by 16. B value, why we 3 multiplied by 16, because 16 is here base, and this power of this number will be 0, 0, then 1 as usual. 3 multiplied by base power 1 plus 11 plus 16 base 0. Why there is 11? Because b equal to how much? B equal to 11. So b 11 plus 16. As usual, when we add, it became 59. So you can also write 3 base 16 equal to 59 base. 59 base how much? 59 base 10. It will be 10. Now again we have to take example of others number. 4d2 base 16. 4 into, because this is base 0, power 0, power 1, power 2. 4 into 16 power 2 plus 3 into 16 power 1, 2 into 16 power 0. So 1,025 plus 208 plus 2, if we add these all, it became 1230. So we can also write this 4d2 base 16 equal to 1234 base 10. This was the conversion of hexadecimal to binary. Thank you.